Let's get one thing straight. Test automation isn't a silver bullet. If your manual process is a mess, automating it just makes your mess faster. Welcome to the QA revolution. See this? This is what happens when you treat automation like magic. It's a methodology, not luck. Let's break down why you're failing before you even start. Manual testing is a liability audit waiting to happen. You're clicking buttons like it's 1999 while the devs are pushing code every 10 minutes. It's a friendly rivalry, sure, but they're winning. Regression, flakiness, technical debt. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the nails in your project's coffin if you don't evolve. So how do we evolve? We stop thinking like clickers and start thinking like engineers. We're going from test cases to test scripts, from reactive to proactive. You've heard the names: Playwright, Selenium, Cypress, but the tool doesn't matter if your strategy is hollow. A fool with a tool is still a fool. At QA Revolution, we have a saying: green builds are not luck, they are methodology. Over the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you that methodology. Verbatim, no fluff. Do you like this video so far? If so, please like this video and subscribe to the QA Revolution channel. Reason 1, the foundation. You can't build a skyscraper on a swamp, and you can't build automation on a shifting UI. First, define your scope. Don't automate everything. That's a rookie mistake. Focus on the high-value, high-risk paths first. The API is your best friend here. The pyramid is your roadmap. Solid unit tests at the bottom, then UI tests at the top. Most of you are building ice cream cones, upside down and melting under pressure. Unit tests are your first line of defense. They're fast, reliable, and cheap. If you skip these, you're just building a house of cards. Don't be that person. Next, the API layer. This is where the logic lives. Testing here gives you 90% of the value for 10% of the effort compared to the UI. It's the sweet spot. UI tests are brittle. They break if a dev sneezes near the CSS. Use them sparingly for critical end-to-end flows only. This is how you avoid the flakiness trap. Reason 2, choose your weapon. Don't just pick what's popular on Hacker News. Pick what fits your team's skill set and your tech stack. Selenium is the old guard, reliable but heavy. Playwright is the new rebel, fast, auto-waiting, and built for the modern web. I know which one I'm betting on. Language matters. If your devs write TypeScript, write your tests in TypeScript. Reducing friction between QA and dev is the key to a fast CI/CD. Reason 3, the environment. You can't run a race in a parking lot. Your automation needs a stable, reproducible environment to thrive. Look at these logs. Containerization is your friend. Spin it up, run the tests, tear it down. No more "it works on my machine" excuses. We're here for results, not stories. Reason 4, writing the tests. Treat your test code like production code. Use page object models. Keep it DRY. Don't repeat yourself. Logic belongs in production. Selectors are the foundation of stability. Stop using XPath. Stop using brittle CSS selectors. Use data attributes. Tell your devs to add them. It's a requirement, not a request. Hard waits are the enemy of speed. If I see a thread.sleep in your code, we're going to have a problem. Use smart waits. Wait for the element, not the clock. Reason 5, the flaky monster. A test that fails 10% of the time for no reason is a test that belongs in the trash. It destroys trust, and trust is all we have. Audit your failures. Is it the environment, the data, or a race condition? Don't just hit rerun and hope for the best. Hope is not a strategy. Methodology is. Reason 6, C-I, C-D integration. If your tests aren't running on every commit, they don't exist. They need to be part of the heartbeat of the project. You are the gatekeeper. If the tests are red, the build doesn't go, no exceptions. Not for the lead dev, not for the PM. Green builds are not luck, they are methodology. Reason 7, the long game maintenance automation isn't set it and forget it. It's a living, breathing asset that needs constant care and feeding. Don't be afraid to delete tests. If a feature is gone, the test should be too. Don't carry dead weight. It slows down your CI and confuses your results. Be ruthless. Reason 8, reporting. If a tree falls in a forest and no one sees the report, did the tests even run? Make your results visible. Use dashboards, use Slack alerts, make it impossible to ignore. The rivalry between dev and QA is a feature, not a bug. They build it, we break it. They push, we verify. It's how great software is made. Just make sure you're the one with the data. Reason 9, never stop learning. The tech stack changes every 6 months. If you're not learning, you're becoming obsolete. Stay curious, stay paranoid, stay relevant. You are not just a tester, you are a quality engineer. Act like it, code like it, defend the build like your reputation depends on it, because it does. Foundation, tooling, environment, writing, flakiness, CI/CD, maintenance, reporting, learning. 9 reasons, 1 methodology, total victory. Test automation isn't about checking boxes. It's about building confidence. Remember, green builds are not luck. They are methodology. I'm Ron Wilson, and this is the QA Revolution. Like and subscribe to the QA Revolution. See you in the logs.